Bohol is perhaps best known for its chocolate hills, a geological wonder. Over 1,200 symmetrical hills stretch as far as the eye can see. Legend has it that these hills were formed from the tears of a heartbroken giant. We climb to a vantage point and gaze in awe at this surreal landscape. From the grandeur of the chocolate hills, we turn our attention to the Philippine tarsier. These tiny creatures, with their enormous eyes, are nocturnal. We visit a tarsier sanctuary where these fascinating animals are protected. Moving quietly through the forest, we catch a glimpse of a tarsier clinging to a branch. Bohol's natural wonders extend beyond its land-based attractions.